Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Rotherham Tax Council account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in rotherham.gov.uk and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Tax Council account for Rotherham government. Now from the home page, just scroll down and you will find the sign into or register for your account button. Just click on this button and then scroll down until you see the sign in section. Click on sign in and you will be taken into the sign in portal. Now all you need to do is type in your account credentials. Start by entering your email address that you used for registration and then type in your account password within the password box. Now you can click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account with the Rotherham Council Tax Department. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on problem signing in and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Rotherham Council Tax Department account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.